Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little video for you of unboxing my Estelle pocket-sized cloud. And it came in this teeny tiny little box. So cute. It's just the usual Estelle box designed to never settle. Very nice. So let's open her up. All I've done is undo the tape here. So I haven't actually looked. Let's have a look. Ah, so pretty. Look how tiny this baby is. I love pocket size. And then we just have the flap here. And then make time for what makes your soul shine. Which is what the A5 wide boxes have as well. So let's take out everything from the box. I love how it doesn't it's just in one shipping box, which is much nicer than having two boxes to have to get rid of. So first we just have this little card here, just saying a thank you and also some care tips. And then this is an extra that I picked up, the pocket size ruler. And this one is the pink transparent one. It has inches on one side and centimeters on the other, and I really liked how I had centimeters on it. Super cute. Also how small it is. Oh, I can't wait to get in this planner. So it just comes in this really nice dust bag. It's like a silky feeling, and it's pink with a ribbon. Oh my god, it's tied in the cutest bow. How cute is that? Okay, we're opening. Come on, come here, little baby. Come here. It's well wrapped and protected. So I usually just keep the dust bags in my closet just in case I need to transport my planners or anything like that. But here we go. The little baby. Look at this little pocket. So as you can tell, I got the fragrant lilac color with silver hardware. And oh my gosh, she's so cute. I actually want to just quickly before we go into it, I just want to show you compared to the A5 wide. So this is the Lavender Daydream. I think Daydream Lavender. So is it Lilac Daydream? Anyway, you can see the difference between the Daydream and the Fragrant. This is a lot more pink. But I think they look so beautiful together. This is also smoother. This is like a pebbled, whereas this is like more of a, was it a goat skin or lamb skin or something? So it's a much smoother. It still has texture, but not as much as the pebble. And zoom in, you can kind of see the difference there of the texture. And both have the silver. Now this has a little button because the way that it's set up is to be, it could also be a purse, and with the purse you can have it like this, so it'd be so weird to have like the heart up, say, like on the side, so the sort of circle works better for that. But yeah, so okay, let's get her open because I'm excited. It does have the two buttons. It does cover up that button, but you can see it from the side. That's alright if we close it all the way up. Very nice. We open her up. We take out the bits and pieces protecting it, which are always nice to have. You guys have probably seen a few openings of this, so it doesn't lay flat like here, but maybe if we do some bending, so I find with my cloud, with the flap, if you do some bending, it's more likely. So it's a little bit puffy, I think, from the back pocket, but very, very cute. We have the 25mm rings in silver, and they have the Estelle logo on them. Really nice, all closed. Oh yes, very snappy. We have a little pin loop here with elastic, and then we have this side pocket with the zip, nice purple lining. It has like a pull tab there, and you can have cards in each of these, And I believe it's the like perfect size for credit cards so that they don't sink all the way in, but you can get them to the, be able to grab them from the top. Yeah. And then we have two side pockets this way and a side pocket that way. And then you also have the D-rings if you want to turn it into a purse. And then the back pocket. And it's really beautiful, very well made. The back pocket does make it a little puffy. I honestly I love the way it is, but also personally, there's some things that I could do without. Like I don't need the zip, and I don't need the back pocket. So, and all the D-rings, because I don't plan to make it into a purse. It's a pocket planner. So if I could buy a simplified version without those three things, I think I'd be even happier. But I do love the way the pockets are put together and the ring size. So, and I do like the cloud little flap. So I think if she did do a simplified version in the future that wasn't also a wallet, I would probably buy another one. Because I don't love those bits and pieces. I can live without them, to be honest. But otherwise, it feels beautiful, looks beautiful. We have the little ruler here. Obviously, you can go either direction. So this will be sticking out the bottom then. But I like having the centimeters. So that looks really cute in there. I don't have any inserts or anything just yet. They're on the way to me in the mail. So I'll probably have them next week. So hopefully I can film a setup for you guys. That would be really awesome. But yeah, just super pretty. They did sell out, not too badly. I actually strolled in. I was watching a YouTube video when the release started, and I strolled in about 11 minutes late, and they only had the lilacs in stock, which was lucky for me because that is the color that I wanted. But yeah, so I think there is a new release coming this weekend, which is why I wanted to get this unboxing up. It should be Saturday if you're watching this when it goes up. So that will be Saturday the 6th, I think. The 6th of February apparently is a restock of the pockets tomorrow. So if you're watching this, then definitely go check it out if you want one. It's a gorgeous little planner. As I said, like, it's not 100% perfect in my opinion for me. But I think if you wanted a wallet, this is a really good option. It has a really nice big back pocket with nice looking lining. I've seen the Moterm Verses and they're all like brown on the inside, no matter what color you got, so meh. And it is nice to have a nice big zip pocket. And I love this back pocket. This is cool, like to keep things sort of secure in there. That's really nice. Yeah, I really love this one. I might consider getting other pockets just because I do love pocket size. I started off pockets in traveler's notebooks, so, and I want to put some more practical inserts in here, as you will see in my setup. But maybe I'll try out a print pressure one or something. But otherwise, I'm just gonna, play around with this baby for a while and enjoy it. And yeah, so super duper happy. Go check out that release if you want to. But otherwise, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. I will have a pocket setup and pocket flip through after a while of using it and all those updates. And I will be hauling a bunch of pocket planner stuff as well. So keep a lookout for that. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful weekend and I'll see you next time. Bye.